Yo guys, I am super excited because I am on my way down to Hollister to meet up with my boy Sammy. We're gonna do a little collaboration on my YouTube channel. We're doing a popping tutorial, so be on the lookout for that. And if you don't know who Sammy is, man, you gotta look him up because in the Hollister area, he's big time. But also, I'm gonna put a little link, a little clip of him when he was on So You Think You Can Dance. He's an amazing guy. I consider him my little brother. So I'm super excited. Hope you guys have fun with me. I'll see y'all soon. Alright guys, we are here in Hollister at Sammy's studio, and behind me is the wonderful Lisa. What's up?
I'm really excited that you guys are here to share in this space with us. Here we believe in kids. We believe that through dance they discover the best version of themselves, and every day they just find better and better versions of themselves by expressing themselves through dance. And so I am excited for you guys to get to share some time with Ceech, one of my favorite people, and my other favorite person, Sammy. He is such a gifted dancer and teacher, and so you guys are in for a treat. So enjoy.
The one and only Sammy, y'all.
What's up, everyone?
Tell us how you got started with just dancing and popping in general.
I've always loved dance. I love singing it. I never thought I could be a dancer because I was kind of an athlete, like I did sports. And I saw a video clip, and the dancer's name was Salah and Damon Frost versus these two French girls. As I was dancing with Project M and Funkonometry in San Francisco at the time.
Oh, okay. You know what? We should put a little link to Project M and Funkonometry.
Yeah, they're awesome. Love those guys.
I want to ask you how you get started with opening your own studio. I mean, that's awesome.
Also a fluke. I really feel like God's hand has been on my life in a lot of ways.
Right.
Things like I just couldn't have planned for came into play.
Alright guys, hey man, I just had a great time with Sammy. We finished our filming, trying to build our dance vocabulary, popping drills for everybody. Hope everything came out good. I don't know. I haven't edited it and whatnot, but I had a great time with Sammy. So again, Sammy, thank you so much for allowing me to hang with you for today, and hopefully the video will come out great. Alright y'all, late.